The moon is one of the most prominent objects in the night sky, visible to all. But how did it come to be? It's widely accepted that the moon was formed by the debris resulting from an ancient collision between Earth and a body called Gaia. It is estimated that the impact happened 4.5 billion years ago in what's known as the giant impact hypothesis. Gaia is thought to have been similar to Earth in size and composition, and the impact with it is believed to have ejected a large amount of material into space. This matter then collided with each other and clumps of material formed, many of which went on to become our moon. Initially, the distance between Earth and the moon was far smaller, and the rate of rotation was much higher than today. It is thought the moon slowly moved away from Earth due to the tidal forces between the two objects. Another theory suggests that several large space objects collided at around the same time as the Earth-Gaia event, and the material from these combined to form the moon. Studies of lunar rocks retrieved by Apollo astronauts establish that the age of the moon is approximately the same age as Earth. This provides further evidence to support the giant impact hypothesis as opposed to other notions such as fission from Earth. The composition of the moon is approximately 40 to 45% oxygen and 20 to 25% silicon dioxide. Much like the Earth, the predominant element is iron, and it differs slightly from Earth due to its lower density and unique thermal history. The lunar core is believed to be richer in iron compared to that found on Earth. Furthermore, it is thought the lunar core is composed of liquid iron, similar to that found in the Earth's outer core. The lunar surface is heavily covered by craters that are caused by meteorite impacts and other celestial events. The moon's features and characteristics are constantly changing due to the effects of the solar wind, cosmic radiation, and asteroids. Sunlight is also responsible for the extreme temperature changes between day and night on the lunar surface. The moon also has a gravitational force upon Earth which is responsible for the ebb and flow of the ocean's tides. The moon has no atmosphere, so it is constantly exposed to meteors and other space debris. The moon is capable of reflecting light, making it visible to us in Earth's night sky. The moon's subtle gravitational pull affects the Earth's oceans, strengthening the tides and creating the phenomenon known as the lunar cycle. This lunar cycle influences the activity of various living things on Earth and is a key factor in regulating nature's cycles and seasons. The phases of the moon have been used in the past to mark significant events and times in many cultures and societies. The moon has no light of its own and simply reflects the light of the sun, creating the ever-changing expressions of the waxing and waning moon. The moon has been a source of scientific and cultural fascination for thousands of years and continues to be studied today.